Alrighty then, what's going on everybody? Today, I have my spoiler that I'm gonna be putting on because it's gonna be so fast. It's gonna be a race car. It's gonna make 1,000,000 horsepower and I'm gonna be able to fly with this wing. No, I'm not gonna be able to do any of that. I'm not gonna be able to do any of that. But it's probably actually gonna slow me down. And it's probably not gonna do anything at all. But hey, it's gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna put that wing on and that's about it. But before I do that, I have to fix this because I took the car for a drive and it flew off. And I also got more vinyl decal stickers that I gotta put on. Then I will do the wing. Okay, not bad considering I had to do all of that by hand. So hopefully maybe I can peel off the other side in one shot and I don't have to do all of it by hand. But let's try it. I think it looks pretty good still, so let's see. All right, sorry about the little wait. I know it wasn't a wait for anyone watching the video. It was more or less just a wait for me. This is the wing. This is what we got going on here. I got this piece, and I got, I don't know why I need lighting in here. I need better lighting. This is, I'm assuming some part of the wing. I don't know, I have to assemble it. And then all the other pieces are in that box right there. So watch me completely fail at this and then try to install it on the car. Hopefully I can put it on tonight. Other than that, let's get down to business. Okay, all the instructions are in Japanese. I believe that, yep, it's Japanese. Okay. We can see that this is a very professional wing, considering it's wrapped in Japanese newspaper. This traveled really far. I think it's Japanese. I'm assuming it's Japanese. I could be totally wrong. Is it racist if I say it's Japanese, but it's actually Chinese because I can't tell the difference in the words because I just don't know the language? I hope not. But here are the corner pieces. That's more like it. Cool.
Nothing has changed, and I could say another time.
So I'm gonna need someone to help me eyeball this because I can't physically see what the heck direction or placement this needs to go in, and I have no idea. So that's okay. I need someone to help me out with it, and then I think it will look freaking awesome, and I cannot wait. I need to get more batteries for this for these things. All right, I'll be back when I have someone else.
Tell me to change my game. This style wasn't going anywhere. It was kaput. Don't you see what I've done with this place? With this whole thing? Don't you see that I've changed the game? No, I am the game. Before I knew where this was going, I would listen to you. Right now, I distance myself from whatever you have to say. I made this something way bigger than you were ever gonna be. I made it this far, and I'm taking it to the top. I came out from the bottom and into the top. For the first time, I feel alive. I can fly like an eagle, strike like a hawk. Do you think you can survive? I came out from the bottom.
All right, these are my squares. What the hell is that? I don't know. These are my squares. So I'm gonna drill holes in each of the squares, and we're going to mount this wing up accordingly. So the holes aren't completely square, they're offset a little bit. So if I just put the hole in somewhere in the vicinity here, I can make some little micro adjustments to mount up this wing. So the holes are on the front closer to the top, and on the bottom they're closer to the bottom. So I will drill my holes here on the top of this one, and on the bottom of this one, top of this one, bottom of this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, never done this before. Lord have Jesus. No, Lord have mercy. I broke the bit. I wasn't even going that hard. So here's the wing. Not too bad. I still need to really mount it. I need to drill the holes a little bigger, but all in all, it's on there. Straight as possible. I like the look. But what I need to do is that those Milwaukee batteries, actually, did I buy more Sawzalls? I mean, Sawzalls, fucking cutoff wheels. All right, yeah, I bought more cutoff wheels. But this Milwaukee battery is junk, and it powers my grinder. And essentially, I need to cut out the whole trunk area because I can't put the bolt holes for the back end because the trunk has metal covering it. So I need to cut out a majority of the trunk in order to bolt the wing down, which is important. And yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like with the wing. Can barely see it. Let me close the door. And I think it looks pretty cool. So this is what I'm gonna do. The only thing I really can do is I bought another Milwaukee battery. They're really expensive, so I'm just kind of buying them one at a time. I bought a Milwaukee battery on Amazon, and hopefully that'll be in, hopefully the 1st of November. It's the 28th right now, so hopefully that'll be in soon. But for right now, it's like mounted, it's kind of there. And I think I'm just gonna end the episode off here. And the reason why is just to upload something so I don't have to wait even longer for a battery. But here it is. The car needs to get like detailed and stuff, but for right now, pretty good. The wings on there as straight as possible. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Maybe it needs to be pulled back a little bit more, but other than that, not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right, I'm gonna go to bed, start editing this video. Hope everyone enjoyed. Peace out. Take care.